Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into all things Apple and help you make the most of your Mac. Today's question is a hot one. Is it possible to check your VRAM on a Mac in 2025? If you're into gaming, video editing, or just curious about your machine's performance, knowing your video random access memory, VRAM, is super important. VRAM is the dedicated memory on your graphics card that handles visual tasks, and with Apple's latest updates, it's easier than ever to peek under the hood. First off, let's quickly cover what VRAM is. It's essentially the RAM specifically for your GPU, helping with smooth graphics rendering. Why check it? Well, in 2025, as Macs continue to integrate more powerful chips like the M4 or beyond, understanding your VRAM can help you optimize for demanding apps or even decide if an upgrade is needed. Now, onto the main event. Yes, it's absolutely possible to check your VRAM on a Mac. The simplest way is through the built-in System Information tool. Just click on the Apple menu in the top left corner, select About this Mac, and then hit the System Report button. In the window that pops up, navigate to the Hardware section and look under Graphics Displays. There, you'll see details about your GPU, including the amount of VRAM available. For example, you might see something like 8 GB or 16 GB, depending on your model. If you want more in-depth info or automation, you can use the Terminal app. Open Terminal from Applications, Utilities, and type in the command System_Profiler SP displays data type. Hit Enter, and it'll spit out comprehensive details about your display and VRAM. Pretty cool, right? Keep in mind, for newer Macs with Apple Silicon, VRAM is unified with System RAM, so the reporting might look a bit different, but it's still accessible. One thing to watch out for: if you're on an older Mac, the process is similar, but always ensure your macOS is up to date for the most accurate info. In 2025, with potential new features in macOS 16 or whatever they call it, there might even be a dedicated graphics dashboard, fingers crossed. So, to wrap this up, checking your VRAM on a Mac is straightforward and empowers you to make informed decisions about your setup. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.